So I'll just show you right here if works best if you just flip up the lid right here on the corners.
Okay.
And then just go back like that, and then go all your traction. But this just keeps water out of the zipper, so it's much more water resistant.
Okay. What's this made out of?
It's a 18-ounce heavy-duty truck tarp vinyl.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
The extra storage pouch here.
Yep.
And you said it's got a grommet in the bottom.
Yep. So if any water did get in,
yeah.
Or if you're like putting wet clothes, fishing gear and stuff in there,
yeah,
it'll drain out.
Drain out.
Yep.
And also if your trash bag busts or something,
True,
you
yeah.
can rinse it out. So
Yep.
outstanding.
Little slip pockets here, and then the main.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. And you could put whatever. That's a good sized pocket. So
yeah.
You need a little reflective, so it's kind of nice at night.
Well, as always, Rob, great gear.
And the new feature, a lot on the other ones, is you just unzip this, take your trash right out through there.
Oh man, yeah.
Oh yeah.